Hello and welcome to Game Night How-Tos presented by Gather Together Games. This video will cover how to play the party game Chameleon. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 3 to 8 players. To play, you will need the Chameleon game that comes with a stack of topic cards, blue code cards, green code cards, a blue and green chameleon card, and 2 dice. In this tutorial, we will be playing with 5 players. To start, you will shuffle the blue chameleon card with 4 blue code cards, then deal 1 card to each player. The object of the game is to figure out who was dealt the chameleon card. Unless you are the chameleon, then the object is to avoid being caught as the chameleon. The dealer will start the gameplay by flipping over 1 topic card and rolling the 2 dice. Using the dice combination, find the corresponding coordinate on your code card. Here, the dice combination of 5 and 1 point to code C1. Match the coordinate from your code card to the topic card to find the secret word. C1 lines up with the word violin. If you are the chameleon, you will not know the secret word. Starting with the dealer, each player will say 1 word related to the secret word. Player 1 starts by saying strings, player 2 says classical, player 3 says orchestra, player 4 says loud, player 5 says quartet. After each player has said a related word, everyone will debate as to the chameleon's identity. After a few minutes of debate, players will point to who they think is the chameleon. The player with the most fingers pointing at them will reveal his or her code card. If the card flipped is a code card, the chameleon has escaped. If the card flipped is the chameleon, he or she can take a guess at the secret word. If correct, the chameleon gets away. If incorrect, the chameleon is caught. The chameleon of the round becomes the new dealer. The deck is switched to the green code cards and chameleon card and dealt as in the first round. If 2 or more players receive an equal number of fingers pointing at them during the vote, the deciding vote is given by the dealer of the round. Scoring is optional. 2 points are given to the chameleon if he or she goes undetected. 1 point is given to the chameleon if he or she is caught but can correctly guess the secret word. 2 points are given to the non-chameleons if the chameleon is caught and is unable to guess the secret word. When keeping score, the first player to 5 points wins the game. That wraps up How to Play Chameleon. Find time this month to gather together with family and friends and enjoy a game. Thanks for watching.